So this is the filtered shower head. So this whole shower head is made fully of aluminum. It reduces the water hardness, which helps to leave your skin and hair nice and soft. So these filters here actually have a 20 level filter. So that's pretty crazy. That's a lot of filtering for your hard water. So some of the filtering materials are like KDF 55, alkaline ceramic balls, activated carbon, calcium sulfite, and zeolite balls. So these filters actually help filter out things like chlorine, fluoride, and also heavy metals. So where I am now, which is actually in Florida, we have some really bad water down here. And I never knew that it was the actual water that was drying out my skin. I always figured it was probably the soap, but it was actually the water. So we're gonna begin by wrapping with the Teflon tape. Now what this does, it actually prevents any leaking from your shower head right here. So want to apply just enough. You don't have to go crazy with it. So that should be enough right there. So that's always going to be step one. There we go. All right, next step is going to be applying the filter. So let's go ahead and get that right in there. Now you want to make sure it's tight. I wouldn't worry too much about over tightening though. Once you get to the point where you can't turn too much more, I wouldn't force it. Right there is just perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and add as well the head. Now, what I also like to do is add another set of Teflon tape right here as well to make sure there's no leaking as well from here. Okay, so same process. We're just going to go ahead and wrap this as well. Okay, now that that's wrapped, we can go ahead and screw in the head. Now, once we turn it on, we shouldn't have any leaks. Now, this head is adjustable. You can move it up, move it down, move it sideways. We're going to leave it downwards. Just to make sure it's fully tight. There we go. Okay. Now, I mean, when you shake it a little bit, you can actually hear the beads that are in there as well. All right. Now we're ready to go ahead and turn this on. All right, so we're all set up. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Nice. So you can see how you have like a stronger band right in the middle there, and then it's a little bit lighter on the end. I do like that. Now let's go ahead and check for any leaks as well. So it looks like we tightened it pretty well, so I don't see any leaks at all. So overall, this one is definitely great. This is one I would recommend. So I just want to say thanks to the seller for sending this to me in exchange for this review.